Hello everyone, and welcome to another science video with Teacher John. Today I'm on crewjohn.com. That's crewjohn.com. Go and sign up today if you haven't already. So here I am on the home page. You can just click on Site Home, it will take you there, or you can click on this picture. And we are studying science. So I will click on Science, and here is our practice test. Enter, and let's go. Okay, an animal that catches and eats other animals. An animal that catches and eats other animals, that is a predator. Some examples of predators are lions, tigers, sharks. They're all predators. Predator. Part of the plant that carries water and nutrients to the leaves. Alright, it carries water and nutrients to the leaves. That is the stem. A print or part of a plant or animal that lived long ago. Alright, we just talked about this in class. This is a fossil. Often a fossil is not made of bones, it's made of rock. A plant or animal that no longer lives on Earth. Alright, this is extinct. They are no longer on this earth, they are extinct. Some examples are dinosaurs, the dodo bird. They are extinct. An animal that is caught and eaten. An animal that is caught and eaten is prey. It's prey. So if a lion is hungry, it will eat its prey. A zebra or a deer, something like that. An animal that lives part of its life in water and part of its life on land. This is an amphibian. An example of an amphibian is a frog. Amphibian. A material that living things need to live and grow. Alright, these are nutrients. This is a nutrient. A nutrient, a plant needs nutrients, the minerals in the soil. You need nutrients from your food, vitamins, things like that. They are nutrients. Nutrient. Parts of the plant that hold the plant in place and take in water and nutrients. Okay, these are the roots. The roots are on the bottom of the plant. Roots. A place where a plant or animal lives. This is a habitat, and we will speak more about that later. Habitat. A color or shape that makes an animal hard to see. Okay, this is camouflage, and we spent a whole day in class looking at different animals that use camouflage. I think my student Google, her favorite camouflaged animal was the dead leaf butterfly. It's a butterfly, but it looks like a dead leaf. A model that shows how energy passes from one living thing to another. This is the food chain. The food chain. So the predators will always be at the top of the food chain because they eat everything, and the plants will be at the bottom because they are eaten by everything. Okay, this is the food chain. Food chain. What are the three parts of an insect? Okay, so what are the three parts of an insect? We covered this a lot in class. I have a list of words. On your test, you will have a word bank and you must choose the right words. So I know, because I studied, the three parts are the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Now there's a long list. You will have to scroll down to see all the choices. Okay, and submit. Abdomen, thorax, and head. There's my voice again. That is the correct answer. Name 4 different habitats. 4 different habitats. Now remember, that is where living creatures live. Okay, so can we think of some habitats? Yes, the ocean. Fish live in the ocean. Sharks, whales, dolphins, many different things. What else? Oh, the forest. There's many trees in the forest. Squirrels, rabbits, bears, foxes. It's many. The desert. Oh, can you think of some desert animals? The camel, scorpion, snakes live in the desert, and the wetland. Another name for the wetland is a swamp habitat. So this is kind of part forest and part water. Okay, there's lots of water. I think there are many snakes, and there's amphibians like the frog, and crocodiles and birds that live in the wetland. Alright, let's submit. Wetland, desert, ocean, forest. What are 3 things plants need to grow? Alright, 3 things plants need to grow. That is soil, water, and sunlight. They need these 3 things. Okay? Now they use the sunlight to make energy, and that process is called photosynthesis. We will learn more about that in our next unit. So we're finished. Submit. Soil, water, and sunlight. Does this animal have a backbone? Answer yes or no. Alright, so on this slide there is no question, it's just instructions, so you have to think. Does this animal have a backbone? Yes or no? So let's look. Scorpion. A scorpion. Okay, a scorpion is an arachnid. We learned about that in class as well. And arachnids do not have backbones. So I will say no. And I want you to think, do you know this animal? If you see it and you don't know, I want you to look it up on the internet so you can learn some new words. Okay, a scorpion does not have a backbone. Worm. A worm. Yes, the worm does not have a backbone. Absolutely does not, so no. Ant. An ant is an insect. Insects do not have backbones. No. Dog. A dog. A dog is a mammal. Mammals have backbones. So yes, a dog has a backbone. Ladybug. A ladybug is an insect. An insect does not have a backbone. So no. Whale. Is a whale a fish? No. It's a mammal. It breathes air. It has a backbone. Yes, it does. It has a very, very, very large backbone. Human. A human. I'm a human. You're a human. We all have backbones, so yes. Snail. A snail. Do snails have backbones? I know they have a shell, but do they have backbones? No, they do not have backbones. Octopus. An octopus. An octopus has 8 legs, but it does not have a backbone. Butterfly. Butterfly is an insect. Insects do not have backbones, so no. Grasshopper. A grasshopper. A grasshopper is an insect. Insects do not have backbones, no. Cat. Cat. A cat is a mammal. Mammals have backbones. Yes, it does. Mouse. Mouse. A mouse is a mammal. Mammals have backbones. Yes, it does. Spider. A spider. Spiders are arachnids. Arachnids do not have backbones. No. Elephants. Yes, an elephant is a mammal. Mammals have backbones. Yes. Lion. Lion. A lion is a predator. A lion is a mammal. Mammals have backbones. Yes. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla is a mammal. Mammals have backbones. Say it with me. Yes. Beetle. Beetle. A beetle is an insect. Insects do not have backbones. No. Bird. Bird. Birds have backbones. Yes. Snake. Snake. Yes, a snake. Even though it looks like a big worm, it does have a backbone. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. A dragonfly is an insect. Insects do not have backbones. No. Giraffe. Giraffe. A giraffe is a mammal. Mammals have backbones. Yes. Alright, great. I got a 100%. Can you get a 100%? I hope so. If not, just keep taking the practice test until you get a good score, and then you will be ready on Wednesday. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you. Go to crewjohn.com today and try out my practice test. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!